Dear students, today we will discuss about type 4 KTDF questions of the chapter 3, 4 rules, exercise 3, and this is our fourth lesson. So before starting, I'd like to say, if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So let's start the problem here. The problem is given: the total salary of Farida and Fatima is Taka 19,950. Fatima gets Taka 2,450 more than that of Farida. So my question A will be: create a mathematical sentence for finding the salary of Farida. Then B, write down the mathematical sentence for finding the salary of Fatima. And problem C is solve B to find the amount for Fatima. So let's start the solution. Solution A: the sum of equal amount paid by them is Taka, the total amount minus this. So what is happening here actually, according to the question, this is the total amount given by Farida, Fatima, and there is also some extra part given by Fatima. So if we subtract the extra part, then we will get this part, and this is the sum of the total amount of their equal parts. So within this, Fatima and Farida giving same amounts. So now if I divide this thing into two equal parts like this, if I divide this thing by 2, then I will get equal parts, and these equal parts will given to each of them. And since Farida get less amount, so this amount will be specially for Farida. And if we want to find the amount for Fatima, then we have to add the extra amount with this. So this is the solution of A. Now go to solution of B. Here I am telling the things that I have already discussed here to the last part, the main discussion, the main explanation here. So this is the main mathematical sentence, that is 19,950 minus 2,450 divided by 2, and this is the main mathematical sentence for Farida. Now go to the solution number B. Now the required mathematical sentence for finding the amount for Fatima will be just, look here, between these two mathematical sentences there is only one change to this operational sign. Here is minus, here is plus. That is, who is getting less amount, here the operational sign will be minus, and who is getting more amount, here the operational sign will be plus. So if we add the extra amount with the total amount, then divide by these two, then we will get the amount for Fatima, who is getting more amount. So there will be no change, only the change will be happen to the operational sign. So this is how you can get the mathematical sentence for Fatima. Now C, go to C. So this is the main mathematical sentence that we get from B. So if we solve this thing, we will get the amount for Fatima. So this is the main mathematical sentence. Now if we want to solve this thing, first add this extra amount with this total amount, we will get 22,400. Now dividing by 2, we will get this amount. So this is the actual amount for Fatima. So you can also get this thing just by adding the extra amount with this. This will match with these values. So this is the main solution, main mathematical theory for solving this type of math. Now I am going to give you some more maths very similar to this. You can solve this thing at home, and if you get any problem, then write to the comments box. I will try to solve the problems. Look, similar problems. Problem number 1: Raju and Ronnie together have 690 leases, and Ronnie has 86 leases less than that of Raju. So question 1 will be, first question will be, create a mathematical sentence for finding the number of leases for Ronnie. Then B, question B, write down the mathematical sentence for finding the number of leases for Raju. Then problem C, solve B to find the number of leases for Raju. Then next problem 2 is, Molly and Raju together have Taka 8,580. Molly has Taka 480 less than that of Raju. So the first question will be, create a mathematical sentence for finding the amount of Molly. Then B, write down the mathematical sentence for finding the amount of Raju. Then C, solve B to find the amount for Raju. So if you look very closely, then you will get this thing. All the problems are very similar. There is only changes is there of number. number are changed and the name is changed and the story is changed. So these are the very close, and this type of problem also come every year in the PSC exam. So if you solve this type of problem, you can get a question common. So if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.